Hey Craft Champs! Let's dive into this Muddy's mini textured painting, our mystical moonlit tide creation. Grab your paints, brushes, and a touch of moonlit magic. Rinse cup and paper towels too. Breathe deep, unleash that creative tide, and let the day's stress ebb away. Ready? Let's paint! Step 1. Prepare your painting tools. Using a precision brush and number 37, outline the borders of the shoreline and mountains. Step 2. Mix color number 8 with quartz sand in a 1:1 ratio. Using the back of the palette knife, spread the mixture to create the sandy beach. Near the water's edge, use a precision brush to add details for more precision. Step 3. Mix color number 37 with quartz sand in a 1:1 ratio. Using the palette knife, apply upward from the shoreline to form the ocean. Near the beach area, blend in color number 38 for a smooth transition. Leave a thin strip of white along the shoreline for the foam effect. Allow to dry before continuing. Step 4. Mix color number 2 with quartz sand in a 1:1 ratio. Using the back of the palette knife, press and drag from the shoreline toward the water to create natural, textured wave effects. Step 5. Mix color number 38 with quartz sand in a 1:1 ratio. Use the palette knife to paint the sky evenly. Then, mix color number 6 with quartz sand in a 1:1 ratio, and use a flat brush to paint the mountains. Allow everything to dry before the next step. Step 6. Mix color number 22 with quartz sand in a 1:1 ratio. Using a precision brush, create the circle for the sun, and fill in the circle using the palette knife. Use glue to attach small shells on the beach. Finally, lightly brush color number 6 over the sand and shells to add depth and variation in color. Congratulations! Your hand-painted, textured seaside landscape is complete. Amazing! Your moonlit tide is a tidal triumph. Rinse brushes, dry flat, then hang or gift it. Tag #CraftHero and #Muddies to share the lunar vibes. Thanks for crafting. Catch you on the next tide.